If you co-own the property with your kids to avoid the probate process, you're exposing yourself to any lawsuits that they may have. Now, let's say your kids are careful individuals, they plan ahead, they are responsible people. They can get into a car accident and severely injure someone, and if that person sues them, that lawsuit would come after the assets that they own. Now, it's likely that they have insurance and that insurance will cover a certain amount of that lawsuit, but if that lawsuit is more than the coverage that they have, they will have to sell off assets that they have to pay that lawsuit off. In the event that you co-own the property with your kids, their portion of your house is part of the assets that they own and that they will have to sell to pay off that judgment for that lawsuit. Now, all of this is out of your control, and most of it is out of your kids' control. They don't know if they're going to get into a car accident, no matter how much or how careful they are. They don't know how severely they're going to injure the other person, and they don't know how much coverage they're going to have against that lawsuit. And so you're putting yourself at risk of your kids' liabilities, and something that you just need to weigh the risk and benefits of that. There are other ways to avoid the probate process with your property, passing it down to your kids without exposing yourself to those risks. Some of them are going to be a transfer on death deed or a revocable trust for Georgia. And so when you set these up, you maintain ownership of the property with a transfer on death deed. They will be the named beneficiary. When you pass away, the property will automatically pass down to them. With a revocable trust, you put the property inside of the trust. You maintain control over it, depending on if you are the trustee or not. And then when you pass away, it will avoid the probate courts and go directly down to them. If you want help setting any of this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk some more.